hope you're having a great day. So I got out here and just started harvesting like crazy. I think I took a bucket of celosia. But I forgot to take a picture of the sunflowers. The snapdragons, the lisianthus, what else? There was something else. The status. And all the things. So I took a couple pictures in my cooler just now because I was like, eh. But really today I have like 8 bouquets to make. Even though it's bouquet subscription day and I only have 5 bouquet subscriptions this time of year, I have 3 extra orders in addition to that. So it's 9 o'clock. I usually try to get them done before noon so that I can do deliveries all afternoon. I'm not sure if I will get that done, but if I have to run out and do a couple tonight and deliver them later, that's okay. So I'm going to get to that and I'll take a lot of pictures. It's been a really busy morning so far and I just need to get to it. What a day! Oh my gosh, I think I ended up making 14 bouquets today, and most of them were pretty good sized bouquets. I got my subscriptions all delivered, and I got all the bouquets delivered a little bit after 5. But it was a good day, but I didn't get a lot of footage because I was like, oh my gosh, am I going to be able to do it? Like, I just kept getting orders in, and I was like, is there a point where I say, I mean, I did tell some of the people it might be after 5 when I delivered, and they were fine with that. So I just kept going and I just kept getting it done. And now I ran back home, and I probably should go out and clean everything up and get ready for the farmer's market tomorrow like I normally do, or just get up really early tomorrow. I am going to have to harvest a lot of stuff. I used a lot of stuff out of my cooler today, but it was a great day, and I hope you enjoyed the pictures. Anyway, I hope you have a great day.